Hello, Cami here. I'm a certified health and well-being coach and a yoga therapist. Today I'm going to show you a very surprising and simple and quick way to address tension headaches. You need some sort of a ball. This is a squash ball, I think, to rub out my shoulders. And by I'm pretty sure it's a squash ball. I went to like a sporting goods store and got a squash ball. But you could even use a tennis ball, any sort of ball. So you do need something that's pretty hard. Come into a forward fold. Any sort of forward fold, just come on down. Forward fold, just notice. You could have your hands on a chair, on a wall. Notice what you notice. Soften your knees, hands to your legs, come back up. Find your ball. Position yourself next to a wall or have a chair or something that you're holding on to. Be holding on to the wall or the chair for balance, and then take that ball underneath one of your feet. Only do one foot. You don't have to press too hard. Just press as much as feels good to you. If it feels good to press hard, go ahead. Just don't do anything that causes aggravation or pain. Roll it out for a few breaths. Anywhere you want. There's really no wrong way to do it. Resist the temptation to move to the other foot right away. Do one foot. When you're satisfied with how much you've been able to roll it out, stop the rolling, move the ball off to the side, and come into another forward fold. Come into another forward fold, and again, pause and notice. Notice the sensations on the backs of your two legs. Notice what else you notice. Soften your knees, hands to your legs, push up. I'm offering you that exercise as evidence that you have, it's called a fascia train, a system of this fascia from the bottom of your foot up, your whole back line, up, through the back of your head, wrapping around the front of your head. So have you ever had a tension headache that you can feel it sort of starting here and then it wraps around your head? You're not imagining that. That is real. Doing this rolling out of your feet and also other places, but I wanted to really show you your feet so that you could really see this is real. Like, I'm guessing that you may have had a sensation that on the side that you rolled out, when you went into your forward fold as the after, it just felt more clear, relaxed, easier to get down there. So I offer this to you as evidence. When we get off of this video together, you can roll out the other side so that you don't feel uneven. But I invite you to roll out your feet to help your headaches. Bye.